whole new world, a magic place for you and me.
Hey, I'm back.
Hello.
Just letting my dog in.
Understandable. What kind of dogs you got?
I got 2 little caissons.
Oh, that sounds cool.
They're adorable. I love them. Adorable, just like you.
Nah, I'm not adorable. Nah.
Humble one, aren't you?
Hmm?
You know, aren't you humble? Yes, you're adorable.
Nah, I'm not humble. I'm just autistic.
It's okay. I like direct type anyway. I'm very clear with it. I'm very clear with what and who I want.
Yeah. I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. It seems like it,
Mm.
it's kind of... So I get a direct, response, because that's what I'm used with. So, I like directness.
Yeah, no problem. Very clear cut to the point.
Mm-hmm.
I was submissive just earlier today, if you can imagine that.
Oh.
But some of the people in the world, because I'm a switch, I can be submissive or dominant. The people in the world were saying I couldn't top anybody because I had only ever been like submissive at the club, so I didn't think I had like any kind of top energy at all, or that I had a dumb voice. So I literally I had to like get into the mindset, and now I can't get out of it. Like locked in the mode.
Oh, I don't know how that is. I'm usually just mostly submissive, and then there's like little sprouts of dominant.
When you're a switch, you can sometimes people are able to like manually switch into modes if they just think about it. But for me, I can do that. But a lot of times it just comes naturally depending on who I'm with and what I need to be. You know.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I'm just kind of...
Do I have a little shy, a little flustered? That's okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Do I have consent to kiss you on your forehead?
Yeah, sure.
Remember, I always ask for consent. Never do anything you don't want me to do. I like you. You're cute.
Am I? I don't think
It's
I'm
nice.
cute like that.
Yeah. I think your voice is cute. Also, I like how direct you are. You give a nice reaction when I fluster you.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to watch me go bully Sky?
You want to go
fluster
bully?
her? I want to go fluster Sky. You want to watch? Want to watch her get flustered? It might be funny.
Sure. Hold on. He's coming to you, by the way. I'm trying to make me flustered. He's just being weird. He's just being weird. He's just like trying to be dominant with me and everything.
Sky, where you at?
Huh?
Oh, you're up there. Okay, hang on.
You should join. I think you should join. That would be funny.
I came back to visit you. Aren't you so happy?
Just take just take the status out real quick.
Because you're so fun to bully.
Alright.
Yeah.
Is it because of my status? Is it because of my status?
No, not at all.
Your status. I didn't even look.
Oh, good. Never mind. Don't look at it. Don't look at it.
I'm looking at it.
Yeah, I think you should.
Just ignore that.
Oh. Okay. Good to know you are into being degraded.
Not.
Yeah, she's a little degraded bitch right there.
I don't know. It depends.
Little subby girl. All right.
How
I'm pretty.
do you-
I'm good at it. Okay, come here. Hold still.
How do you turn on
Stop running
colliders?
around. Is there colliders? Are you just using Gogo Loco?
How the fuck? Oh, it's up here.
Oh. Okay, I need colliders too. Okay, good.
Go up to get the colliders if you want to get on the bed. There's colliders upstairs.
Alright.
Did I turn on the right one? Yeah, I did. Okay.
You guys should go into that room
Sky,
over there.
hold
Maybe
hold
you
still,
can
look at
wait.
me.
Go into that room over there.
Look at me.
Go into that room over there and do it. Go into that
You
room
will
over
come
there.
down.
Am I what?
Will come dumpster. An adorable slut. Just a cute
You
little
guys,
pop-up.
you guys should go into that room. I'll keep you in there for 7 minutes, and then let's see what happens to her when she comes out.
Let's see how flustered she gets. We'll see.
Yeah,
we'll
yeah,
see how
go,
breaking
go.
She is. Come on.
Go now. Go, Kiwi, and then we're gonna join. Go. Alright, I gotta get Kiwi and them in.
I don't understand what's going on. He's so weird.
He's in that room, so they don't hear us at all.
Yo, how long are we gonna give them?
7 minutes.
Oh, that's crazy.
He's trying to make her flustered because he thinks it's funny. He's trying to make her flustered right now. He tried doing that. He was calling me adorable and everything and whatnot. So he thinks my voice is cute, by the way. By the way, if you see him, try to keep. So he's in that room right now.
Yeah.
Why'd you do that to me?
Dude, what did I do?
I just came back and you left.
I invited you.
Not supposed to. Oh, you did?
I invited both of you.
Oh, okay. Invite Maddie and Tyler.
Yeah, just be quiet up there. Play space somewhere, okay?
Me?
Yeah, all of yous, except for Dylan.
Why?
I want you guys to just watch.
Watch what? Who's in here? Oh, Sky. Okay.
Just watch
I'm
from
so-
above.
Okay, I go up.
He's too drunk for this.
Ow.
He'll be
I
okay.
met you in the black cat.
Just tell him.
What are you laughing at, bitch? Huh?
Dude, just fucking mute both of you.
Call me on Discord.
Alright, I'm gonna have to release them soon. So better get Maddie and him in here and then have him play space. As for you, mister, you act like a female. Do you understand?
So that means no talk.
No talking. Just give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Alright. The one with the skirt. Purple skirt, purple hair, you know, be all cutesy. It's purple. It's, I don't know. It's the one that you found. Kuromi. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. So small.
That's scary. I'm sorry. I don't mean to be that scary. Unless you want me to.
I'm dominant. I'm a big dom.
I broke her. She's a little broken right now. It's okay.
I'm a dom. I'm a dom.
Is she okay? Will she be okay?
No, she's broken. She's broken.
You should
She's broken.
You should see what you can do to Ella. Maybe Ella. She's a mute, so.
There's Elliot sub too.
Yeah, they're a huge
Oh yeah, you
sub.
think I'm a bottom? That's a bigger bottom.
Yeah, that's a huge bottom.
Does she talk?
No, but she types and everything. She's really cute. I love her. She's so cute. Look at her.
Ellie, come here.
Yeah, Ellie.
If you don't have your chat box on, you
All right. Hey, give me like a bird, like caw for me if you can hear me. All right, so I trapped them in there for a couple more minutes because I have Ella. Why'd you despawn?
I was giving them those two privacy. I told them I was giving them privacy and I respawned.
So, I want you to hear something. Come here.
Yeah.
Caw!
He's laughing like a tea kettle, bro.
Shh. Leave me alone. You need to shush. You only respond to caw.
Okay. Are we going back in?
We need to get him out, so when he comes out, you guys have to be hella silent. Kiwi, you can also record if you want. Alright, I'm gonna tell them to get out. Alright. Or, actually, you gotta do this. Hold on. There you go. Now go. Better start recording.
Oh.
You better start recording.